Tagalog. Both words, Tagalog. Lipad. Ibon. May susunod pa sa ibon. Second. Hindi ano yan.
Oo. Sila po ang isa or nasa top na talaga ng pinakaminamahal na love team dito sa Pilipinas at sa mga Pilipino worldwide. I-welcome na natin si Alexa Ilacad and Katie Estrada and Katie Lex! Alright guys, first and foremost, parang alam na lahat ng KD Lex yung mga nangyayari sa inyo. Batiin nyo muna sila.
Hello to our sweethearts, hello to our solid Alexas, to our solid KDs. Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well.
Actually, totoo nga yung sinabi nila Alexa and KD na kung paano yung mga idol nila, ganun din yung mga fans nila dahil sweethearts talaga sila. Diba? Paano nga ba naging sweethearts, Alexa?
I think it started because inside PBB,
Yes.
KD would call me sweetie.
Yes.
Sweetie, sweetheart, ganyan. So, I think someone got the idea of naming the fandom Sweethearts. Ay, sweet naman silang lahat talaga.
That's true.
Alam mo yung na-meet nga natin sila, no? Parang from north to south, di ba? Kulang lang makamit din tayo ng overseas KD Lex, di ba? Yung mga sweet, yes, we do know. Pero sana bumisita rin sila rito. So, dahil parang alam na nila lahat na nangyayari sa KD Lex, ipapasya-reads naman natin yung KD Lex ngayon. Meron tayo ditong bowl. Sasabihin ko sana fish bowl, pero pa hindi. Parang cocktail bowl to.
Salad bowl.
Oo. So, mamimili kayo and you know how charades go, right? So, eto na. Sino mauuna? Do the honors. O magbato-bato pick kaya muna kayo.
One, two. Bato.
Bato.
One, two, three.
Bato, pick! Okay, you go first. Pwede nyo sayawin yan, pwede nyo kantahin, i-act out.
Paano naman to?
I don't think so.
It's so long.
Patingin.
It's...
Oh my gosh! Pero mahuhulaan kaya to ni KD kasi parang baka makapagbigay na rin ako ng clue.
Paano i-explain to eh?
Oo, mahaba siya pero ito na lang, lagi niyong sinasabi.
Ano diba charade? So it's like...
Two,
Okay, 2 words.
What's the English tsaka Tagalog?
Tagalog, ha! Ay!
Happy
Day to you! Okay, ayoko na.
2 words. 1 syllable?
No.
First,
First syllable.
word.
First word.
Hindi na niya sinilabol eh.
May ganun ba?
First
Hindi
word.
naman marunong kasi.
First word.
Oh.
Gising. Umaga. Morning. 7 a.m. Ano tawag? 6 a.m.? Oras. 9.
1 minute na. Huwag na.
Nako, hindi na hulaan. Hapon champion.
Yeah, so I was like, morning, and then what's next is hapon.
Yeah. Okay, hapon champion.
My turn.
Okay, parang
Turn.
score ni KD yun.
That's...
So competitive pala tayo dito. Kayo may showdown kayong dalawa.
Ano yung price?
Yung price nyo, tanghalian. Meron tayo doon, no?
Ipaglalaban.
Oo, may banana doon. Tapos, yun ang price.
Is this if I'm not mistaken?
Okay.
Ay, hindi siya sure.
Sa akin.
Ay,
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
okay.
yes. Okay, go.
Okay.
Ay, patay.
Parang ang hirap nga nung team ng TV5.
First, one word. 3 syllables. Fireworks. 4th of July?
Social kasi yung KD Lex, kaya nahihirapan din.
Tagalog.
Oh!
Sana yung sinabi mo yan agad. Okay, Tagalog. Paputok.
Ay! Galing!
Lupang hinihirap.
Actually, sinabi ko, makabayan.
Okay, so I get 1 point.
Yeah, so nabawi mo 1 point each. Okay, Alexa.
Okay, your turn. Ay, wait, I put it back. Okay.
Ayun lang, nagbasag pa siya. Okay, game?
Okay, game. Third word.
Ano magawa? Kasi I'm gonna...
1 point
I'm gonna guess
for me.
it. 1 point for you.
1 point, go Alexa.
Yay!
Ayan! O ba yan? Pwede mo i-act out yan.
Spaghetti.
Ay! Ang galing! Wala pang 20 seconds yun, ha?
Pala, hindi ko pinahula. Point niya pala yun.
Ay, oo nga!
Make it hard. Ay, sige, let's make it hard.
Oo.
Let's make make it harder.
Hindi, okay na. Sige na, give ko na sa'yo yun.
Yun!
Competitive.
Ang charitable naman nila. I love it.
Give and take.
Give and take. Parang one for the team eh. Yun talaga yung KD Lex. Kaya kahit na point nung isa, ibinibigay na niya talaga.
2 words. Second word. First. Time's up.
Okay.
Tagalog. Both words. Tagalog. Lipad. Ibon. Takpak. Ibon. Oh, ang gagawin na ibon. Second word yun, sabi mo. May susunod pa sa ibon? Eh, second...
Ah!
Tagalog manok. Pang inasal. Second word. First word. Hindi ano yan.
Oo.
Hiniwang manok. Pero yung second word manok.
Di ba time's up
Ano yung
yan?
first?
Oh my gosh.
Hindi, kaya mo yan. Mahabang manok. O, iniikot na manok. Ano?
Wala na, time's up na daw,
Okay,
guys.
kailangan natin
Oo. Lechon manok! I was thinking rotisserie. And the last round goes
Huwag mo
to...
ibalik yung kinuha.
Parang tie sila, no? So, tiebreaker na ng KD Lex.
Oh my God.
Mahuhula ko ba yan?
Hindi.
Sige.
Hindi.
So, kaya alam mo na kung hindi niya mahula.
It's not that I'm underestimating you, but I don't even know how to explain this. Okay,
Okay, one word. Tagalog. Verde. Green, shirt. Tayo? TV5? Pira-pira sa paraiso. Pira? Paraiso.
Oh my God, nahulaan! Congratulations, guys! At dahil dyan, dahil sa bait mo, Alexa, si KD ang nanalo. Hindi natin, oo. Kasi nga, take one for the team, di ba?
Yeah.
Para sa KD Lex yung dalawa. Pero pag-usapan naman natin kayong dalawa, what's a typical day like for KD Lex when you guys are together?
during work or
During work or downtime? What are you guys into?
Call of Duty.
Call of Duty.
Okay, so video games.
Video games.
Me, just Call of Duty. It's the only game.
Gamer ka pala.
Just Call of
Just that.
Just Call of
Yung
Duty.
just-
Why? What about it?
It's like therapy to me. In a way, dun ko nalalabas yung anger ko.
Bakit? Saan galing yung anger?
Barilan yan eh.
Yeah, with no
Oo nga.
management.
Oo.
So I don't know, it's just really fun and we play together also with his friends, his guy friends and their friends. So it's fun kasi I feel like I'm able to release stress, especially when I'm like down or when I'm mad. I just chill.
Pero parang badass ka pala. Pwede ka pala para mag-Lara
Oh, and I just
Croft
wanna
o
say
ganon.
that I'm really good at it.
Oh, yeah. Ano sabi ng friends mo, KD?
Magaling si Alexa. She's getting better than me now.
Wow! Competitive. So, ikaw nagturo sa kanya maglaro nun?
Hindi, no. Naglalaro kami dati before we even met each other.
Oh.
So, tapos nung nagkasama na kami sa labas, ay, you play COD pala. Okay, sige, laro tayo.
Yeah. Oy, naglalaro ka pala. I'm not really a gamer. Like, I don't play every day. Pero nung nagkakilala kami, everyday na kami naglalaro.
Wow! Eh, paano pag
On
sa
our free
taping?
Ano
sa
lang.
taping?
Sa taping kasi, lagi mabibigat yung scenes ko.
Oo.
Unless I know that I'm chill that day, dun lang kami nakakapag-play ng COD. But if not, nahimik lang ako sa
Yeah.
umpisa.
And
Nahimik lang ako.
speaking of mabibigat yung scenes, how's the filming, the taping going so far? Because hindi biro yung mga rules na binigay sa inyo. And syempre, we do know may thin line of ano, di ba? Pag journalist ka and you're portraying one where sinusulong natin ngayon yung truthfulness in pagbabalita. So how are you guys attacking the role so far?
She's doing a scoop on my family. So, minsan nagka-clash yun. And,
La Madrid.
Oh, La Madrid
La
na.
Madrid.
La Madrids. Tapos, sa akin naman, it's a bit hard kasi mas mature yung themes, mas mabigat. And it's not always black and white. Walang pure na good guy, walang pure na bad guy. Lahat naman kami may, meron kaming goal na gusto namin i-achieve. And may lahat kami, we do choices that don't really seem that good or don't really seem that bad. And para sa akin naman, I'm getting the hang of it naman as Elon.
How's the energy going so far for you? Since of course you're doing in and out. Na may downtime pa ba ang KD Lex?
We get like random
Day
a
off.
day off.
When do you know when your day off is?
The night before.
No way!
Yeah, when they say, cancel tayo tomorrow. So,
Okay,
okay,
it's a day
Friday.
Oh my God. So doon kayo magka-Call of Duty?
Yes.
Yeah.
So you just hindi kayo tatambay na parang uy kain tayo
It
dito o ano.
depends.
Depende.
Like,
Sa
the other
energy
day,
namin.
we would go out lang, just eat or play.
Nasasanay pa ba kayo na pagka yung downtime ninyo, of course I'm sure may mga KD Lex na nagkalat, 'di ba? Sweethearts na nagkalat randomly. How do you kumbaga portray your boundary in public?
Thankfully naman, most of our sweethearts know boundaries. So it's not something we ever have to tell
Discuss
them
or
or discuss. Although of course there are some times, but we understand that they just get excited.
Yeah.
So as much as possible, we really want to entertain them.
But honestly, your sweethearts are one of the sweetest and most intense when it comes to supporting. Talagang nagbo-boost sila, di ba? Grabe. What can you say? Kailan nyo na-feel yung love nila? Anong taon sa career ninyo? Yung na-feel nyo na parang, oh my gosh, lumalaki na.
Ever since.
Lumabas
In
kayo.
PBB talaga, kahit hindi nga lang sa labas well, we found out nung lumabas kami, but since we were inside, they were rooting for us na talaga, protecting us, soldiering for us. Until now, that hasn't changed.
Yeah, and every time na magka-project kami together, kumari yung Run to Me, they always bring food, yung Walang Aray,
They
they
always
brought
feed
food.
us.
Grabe, oo, yung play ninyo.
Yes, tapos yung, ayun din, ngayon din sa Pira-Pira sa Paraiso, nagpa-bus sila, they're doing all this promo, they put posters sa my bus.
There's such a
Parang meron na kayong machinery, guys. Baka tumakbo na kayo. Dala ko lang. Di ba? Oo.
kami mag-quality.
Yeah, pwede kayo mag-politics sa dami ng KD Lex, sa sweethearts ninyo.
Napaka-supportive nila. They're very hardworking. We're so thankful for
Yeah,
each
very
other.
lucky.
What did you do, guys, to really condition them that way? Di ba? Na parang you're one of the luckiest people to have
Honestly,
this kind of
that's something we ask ourselves also. Anong ginawa kaya natin to deserve this? To deserve these people? What have we done in our lives that equal to this? So even we were not sure why the Lord blessed us, but we must have done something.
Yes, actually, may interview din naman ako. Nag-back up. At sabi nga nila, what they appreciate most about you guys is that you're true. Parang they don't feel any air of nagpapa-showbiz kayo, etc. What brought about that? What was your background, Alexa, that when you entered the entertainment industry, parang you're just keeping it real?
Kasi umaarte na ako eh. Parang ayaw ko na pag-cut, umaarte pa rin ako. Tsaka I don't think it's necessary. Lalo na, hindi naman sa pagbubuhat ng bangko, pero mabuti naman akong tao, in general. So there's nothing I have to fake. And I just think life will be a lot easier if you keep it real.
I love that. Ikaw, Katie.
Ako naman, I just learned din from experience na being true to yourself is one of the most important things that I can do for me in the future then, of course, and for the fans. Thankful ako na appreciate ng mga tao yun, na genuine lang ako, I don't have to be
you can only fake it for so long until the truth will be revealed,
truth will
your
be
true
revealed,
colors will be
yes.
revealed. So, ayusin mo na sa umpisa pa lang.
I love it. I think that's really your makeup, genetic makeup, and naswerte rin ang fans to have you guys as their role models. And yun na lang, before we end this, yung message nyo lang sa inyong sweethearts.
To our sweethearts, maraming salamat sa support nyo, and throughout this whole journey I really felt all the love that you give us, and I really hope na me and Alexa, we give you the best that we can, and sa mga series namin and sa mga future projects namin. So thank you all for your support, and we love you.
Yes, and ako naman, just know that we appreciate you guys more than you could ever know. Nag-uumpisa pa lang tayo, pero parang pang finale na.
Grabe, oo, yung
So,
intensity.
thank you so much, and it's gonna be a long road. So,
Alright, invite everyone watch.
ayan,
Yes.
of course, mga kapatid, mga kapamilya, and everyone else. Pira-Pira Song Paraiso, Mondays to Fridays, 3 p.m. at
And Saturdays,
Sabado, 2:30.
O, diba? Talagang sinix days nila tayo, guys. Oo, sinix.
nakabitin.
Oo, actually, nabibitin ako tuwing Friday. Naiinis ako pag kailangan ko paabangan.
Weekend pa.
Buti may 2:30 ng
2:30
Sabado.
weekend.
Anyway, guys, thank you so much, Alexa and KD. Ayan, sana nabusog kayo, diba? Sa mga pa-heartwarming, mga pa-reflection moments. Wait na ano na ba? Ayan, thank you so much, KD Lex.